Hello, I'm here to present you today our newly released Tank Breather Kit KSNR 423 from Hi-Fi Filter. Why should we use a tank breather? Simply because when your tank is full of diesel, there is no air inside. But as your level of fuel goes down, then enter the air with contamination and humidity. So this tank breather has two functions. It will remove the humidity that goes inside the tank and holds the particles. So now I'm going to show you what's inside this tank. There is already on the box the breakdown of all the items inside. Let's open it together. First, you have an instruction notice with all the components and how to install the tank breather on top of your tank. In the big box, you've got 10 meter, a coil of 10 meter for the air to be connected to the air minder, the elements, and 5 plastic straps to hold the pipe along the tube. Here, inside this little box, you've got all the connection nipples and the pressure relief valve. Reduction, T-junction, and 2 connectors. So, you've got 1 nipple 1/4 inch, 2 nipples 1/4 inch, 1 reduction 1.5 inch, 1/4 inch, and 1 union. Let's now go together and try to install that. So we will start to assemble the T with a union here. Put the valve, the pressure relief valve, to allow the air to go out this way. So there is an arrow there, written there. We will then connect the air minder device. We'll now fix this here. We can always have a connection. I will not tie them as it is just for the movie. I will fix this one here. Okay. Then we connect the hose. This side, we'll just push it in and it holds very well. I will now come down and finalize the installation of the gauge. So if you have a pipe that is very high in the air, you can use this 10 meter hose, connect the minder, and have it somewhere so you can every day come and check if the clogging indicator is on red. So if it is on red, it indicates that the filter is full and you have to change it. Otherwise, to be on the safe side, we recommend that you change the filter every 4 months. Thank you.